Today we want to share some ink blending tips and techniques for rich, fall-inspired backgrounds. We'll be working with some new colours, but the tricks will work with any inks that you already have. When you're blending with darker colours like blues or purples, it helps to start with your lightest shade. Use a soft, circular motion and slowly work outward. Then bring in your mid-tone. And finally your darkest shade on the very outer rim. This creates a glowing, atmospheric effect that works beautifully for night skies or moody backgrounds. With greens, we like to blend two shades directly onto the stencil. Tap one colour towards the base and the second towards the tip, then blend them slightly where they meet. This creates a natural variation, just like you'd see on real foliage. A simple trick for framing your design is to start with a light neutral over the whole panel, then brush a darker brown towards in from the edges. Keep the centre lighter. This creates a soft vignette effect that pulls the eye towards the middle, perfect for a sentiment or focal image. Don't be afraid to mix colours families. A cool violet blended with a warm brown creates depth and contrast. Pairing greens with neutrals give an organic, botanical feel. Layering across colour families can add richness and make your blends feel more natural and less flat. These are just a few simple techniques to try this season, building depth, blending gradients, creating frames and mixing palettes. Practice with a light hand, layer slowly and let the colours do the work. Fall is about layered colour, and ink blending is one of the best ways to capture this in your projects. We hope these tricks gave you some ideas to explore your own colour blending. Loved watching this video. There is more where that came from here on the Altenew official YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button so you don't miss out on any of the crafty fun. See you soon and happy crafting.